Oh. Oh, sa gaway naman ng babae. Ibang bagay at katawan. Malamang babae. Paloob. Hindi palabas. Paloob lang yun. Ang paloob, panloob na postura. Yun. Puso. Isip. Panloob. At itutukoy. Isa lang may palaisipan sa mga magkapares. At kung wala kang magkapares, alam na siguro ang kalugan ng science ito. The individuality. Waving. And moving. In the exactly level of the age of your life. The word of fulfilling. Mastering the feeling. Reincarnating. Or giving birth. Okay, so that's the answer. And boy line. The same girl, but different. The boy line is the word of the out view. That is the body and head. With their meaning. That is the answer. That is not the nonsense word. That is the answer. The answer for the word of religion. No dirt. And the body. Out all the dirt. From in, from out. And all is good to the people. Do not speak in nonsense. Just teach, if you know. Just guiding the people to the exactly good way. So get the point from the universe and family universe. The word of family universe, home or barangay. The sunset. Where is the answer in the ating the snake? That is the gender. Adan. The two wings, like a bat, image. That is the gender of the girl. Eva. That is the inner meaning. And then, the sitting in the throne, that is the line of the throne. Sitting at the throne. In the going, that is the line of the going. Just go ni marmar. Mayroon pa si kung nag-aaral ka, katulad ng proseso sa iyong kapanahonan. Dahil ang proseso lamang ay nasa pag-isip ito. Ako sa maglaw, ito ay naging puso. Hanggang sa maon, ito ay naging piskay ng katawan. Hanggang sa ito ay tulo na mawala. Ito ay naging punong hinga na naman. Yung sinasabing patay na. Alin? Ito yung imagination. Hindi na ako imagine. Dahil buntong hininga na lumitaw. Saan naman yun? Nakawasig. Paglika naman ito. Saro ng idin. Alin na panganak? Siyempre yung sarili mong pisikal na katauhan. Replika ang nasa harap. Ang pinaka-original, ikaw din naman. Wala. When. Sana.